So I have a family of four. Both myself and wife are professionals, and both my kids are studying. So we were looking for a place where we can have our privacy for everybody in the family, and also common public areas where we can entertain people without disturbing my kids. What do you think, Ruchi?
Yes, as he said, we were searching for houses for a long time, and it was really a home we were searching for. As soon as I stepped into this was half done, but I realized that this is my house, this is my home. So it matched with my dream house.
Right, so this house has 3 floors, and the ground floor is very spacious, and the main hall and the dining area is quite big enough to entertain anybody who is visiting us. Then on the first floor, I have the TV room and the lobby area where the family can spend time together. And on the third floor, we have a lounge where we have the home cinema, karaoke, pool table, all that. Another extension to the third floor is a bar where we can entertain our friends on an evening cocktail and wind down after work. It depends on the time and the day, and if you want to relax after coming home, there are couple of places that I love to spend my time. First place is the pond, sitting next to the pond and watching the fish. That really toned me down after the busy schedule. And if I want to spend time with the family and the kids, so I spend on the first floor where we have a lounge, and when we have friends, we take them to the third floor. So the whole idea of simplicity comes from the interior. We didn't want to have a bulky, many furniture coming in. So the designers did a wonderful, fantastic job giving us the choice of selecting all the furniture which is blending into the house. The color scheme, the theme, the lightweightness, all that was suggested by the interior team, and it was a very good fit to the beautiful house that we have here. Of course, I do that because they understand the architecture of the product that they build, and they also can fit in the furniture and the interior to suit the architecture. So that's very important to get a complete product at the end of the day.
So we are getting really many appreciative comments. So we know that everybody likes it, and all the visitors who come here, they really appreciate. So it says that this is a perfect blend.
So when you want to buy a house, first you need to understand what you want first. If you don't know what you want, it's very difficult to meet your expectations. So first decide what you want, and not for yourself but also for your family, immediate family members, then your friends, relatives, all that. So depending on that, once you have a thought, then engage the company and discuss what you want to get out of it. I think that's the biggest strength of Homemakers. They have a very friendly team from senior management to the lowest level. So they always try to go out of their way to satisfy their customers. So when we started the discussion with the architects, they were so open and flexible to accommodate all our changes and requirements. Then when it comes to the actual home build, we were talking to the supervisors and the actual people who were constructing, and they were really flexible in giving us what we wanted, and we were engaged throughout the construction. It's not that we gave a requirement and they build a house on their own. It was a continuous engagement that we really appreciate and liked on this particular project. from the point we started discussing this project, it took at least 6 months to 8 months to complete it, because it was half built when we decided to take this project. So during the engagement, we engaged with the higher management, the architects, the supervisors, actual technical people, and we found all were so flexible and accommodative. So if I am to rate me being a very demanding customer and very specific on very finer things and expect the perfection at the end of the day, I've been troubling them so much, but I would love to say that they came up to the expectations. So if I'm to rate them 1 to 10, I would love to give 10, but I'm sure there are certain areas that they can improve, and my rating would be 8.5 to 9.
Yes, actually from the beginning onwards, as he said, they were really friendly and we could talk to them anytime. We troubled him so much, they tolerated it very well, and so comparing all, and they have done all the changes we have requested. So as he said, he was a really difficult customer, but still they tolerated him well, means that's it, right? So I can, as he said, there are maybe some small things and to improve in future. So my rating also would be the same.
Homemakers, making luxury affordable to everyone.